Please tell me the name of your state. How many districts are in your state? Who is the Chief Minister of your state? Who is the Governor of your state? What is the capital of your state? What is the population of your state? Which language is generally spoken in your state? Do you know how to speak English? Which crop is grown in your state? What is the traditional dress of gents in your state? What is the traditional dress of ladies in your state? Do foreigners come to visit your state? Why do they come here? What are the tourist spots in your state? Have you ever visited Jaipur? Is there any coal in your state? How far is Mount Abu from here? Why is Pushkar famous? Which is the best season to visit Rajasthan? Please tell me the name of some great industrialists of India who belong to Rajasthan. Thank you.